Nothing says Wednesdays like a firmware upgrade. And today is Wednesday and you're in luck, so cancel your work. And let's do this. First thing you're going to need is an A9. You've probably tuned out already because not many of you have one of those. We're going to go for version 3, but what does it do? Well, it adds the right serial number option on or off for a start, and I know many of you have wanted that. Improves tracking performance of moving subjects in AFC mode. Well, that's always nice. Improves autofocus speed in low light. Again, that's pleasurable. Adds AF track sense as a selectable option for custom key settings. I know a lot of you have been asking for that. Adds support for all focus areas when using the LA EA3 mount adapter. Improvements in flash control performance and functionality. Reduced release time lag while shooting in flash. Adds support for slow sync and rear sync when using flash wirelessly. Adds support for white balance automatic correction when using color filter of external flash. Other improvements. Stabilized release time lag when shooting in AFC mode. Fair enough. Improves overall stability of the camera. In other words, they've fixed a heap load of things that they don't want to tell you was really a problem. Where do you get it? Go to your Sony website of choice, in this case Sony.com, and simply type in your ILCE-9 and then you can download it. It's 279 meg. Now read the instructions because I've heard so many comments about bricked cameras because of people going too fast, and use the cable that came in the box. I know that probably any USB cable will do, but if you use the one that was in the box, at least it's one less thing to actually go wrong. And most importantly, you need to take your time with this. It will sit there doing nothing for longer than you expect, and if you decide to turn the camera off, then you're going to be posting it back to Sony for them to repair your A9 paperweight. Let it run through, and once it gets to the very end, confirm that it was a successful update. Leave me a comment down below, let me know if you are loving the changes or whether you noticed no difference whatsoever. And as usual, it's been emotional.
Perhaps if you must